Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting their car radio's equalizer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access menu. Turn on your Kenwood KMM-X705 and press the volume knob to enter the function menu. Step 2. Find Equalizer. Navigate to the equalizer settings using the volume knob to explore audio control options. Step 3. Adjust frequencies. Adjust frequency bands. Bass for low, 60 to 250 Hz. Midtones for vocals, 400 to 2.5 kHz. And treble for clarity, 4 to 16 kHz. Step 4. Choose preset. Select a preset or manually tweak each band for personalized sound preferences. Step 5. Fine-tune sound. Play a track in fine-tune settings to ensure the best audio experience. With these steps, you should be able to perfectly tailor your Kenwood KMM-X705 sound. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Kenwood users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.